Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is one of my favorite meals. I've boiled some chicken. The chicken isn't done yet. The reason I do that is because I'm going to put it back into my kind of soup stew mix. I've got egg noodles and rice in there, and they're on a slow cook. And I've still got to cook chicken some more, but I'll cut it off the bone and put it back in there, and I'll cook this, and I'm cooking it real slow. You talking about something good, and it's a cold day here in Carolina too. And I'll put a little bit of garlic powder in there, onion powder. I don't cut up onion in here, and that's unusual for me because about 90% of what I cook gets onions, whether it needs it or not. And but this will be a nice hearty meal to have. And I don't think I have any garlic bread, and I'm not going to the grocery store to get none. And I got crackers though. I'll crunch me up some crackers and put in there. And bon appetit. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.